Samuel de Champlain was a French colonist, navigator, cartographer, draftsman, soldier, explorer, geographer, ethnologist, diplomat, and chronicler. He made between 21 and 29 trips across the Atlantic Ocean and founded Quebec and New France on 3 July 1608. An important figure in Canadian history, Champlain created the first accurate coastal map during his explorations and founded various colonial settlements. Samuel de Champlain was born on 13th August 1567. He died on 25th December 1635 at the age of 68. Born into a family of sailors, Champlain began exploring North America in 1603 under the guidance of his uncle Francois Reve Dupont. After 1603, Champlain's life and career consolidated into the path he would follow for the rest of his life. From 1604 to 1607, he participated in the exploration and settlement of the first permanent European settlement north of Florida, Port Royal, Acadia, 1605, as well as the first European settlement that would become Saint John, New Brunswick, 1604. In 1608, he established the French settlement that is now Quebec City. Champlain was the first European to describe the Great Lakes and published maps of his journeys and accounts of what he learned from the natives and the French living among the natives. He formed long-time relationships with local Montagnais and Innu, and later with others farther west tribes of the Ottawa River, Lake Nipissing, and Georgian Bay, and with Algonquin and Wendat. He also agreed to provide assistance in the Beaver Wars against the Iroquois. Late in the year of 1615, Champlain returned to the Wendat and stayed with them over the winter, which permitted him to make the first ethnographic observations of this important nation, the events of which form the bulk of his book, Voyages et Discoveries Faits en la Nouvelle France depuis la nuit, 1615, published in 1619. In 1620, Louis XIII of France ordered Champlain to cease exploration, return to Quebec, and devote himself to the administration of the country. In every way but formal title, Samuel de Champlain served as governor of New France, a title that may have been formally unavailable to him owing to his non-noble status. He established trading companies that sent goods primarily fur to France and oversaw the growth of New France in the St. Lawrence River Valley until his death in 1635. Champlain is memorialized as the father of New France, father of Arcadia, or in French, Père de la Nouvelle France, with many places, streets, and structures in northeastern North America bearing his name, most notably Lake Champlain. Thank you guys. Himanshu S. Kumar signing out.